Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page forever in just few simple steps. Okay, first open your Facebook Lite app, then tap three lines, then tap the arrow button over here, then select the page you want to delete, then tap three lines, then scroll down, then tap settings and privacy, then settings, then scroll down, then tap access and control. As you can see here we have two options. Select the second option, which is delete page, then hit confirm, then continue again, then enter your password, then hit continue, then tap delete page. But keep in mind you only have 30 days in case you regret and want to recover your page, and after 30 days your page will be completely deleted. Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.